Hey everyone, happy Monday. It's MLK Day. I do have the day off, which is lovely. I have a lot going on. It's a little bit of a change of schedule because my husband and I are heading out of town for the first time in so long. We are finally allowed to leave the state. My husband is getting his second dose of the vaccine this coming week, or this week. I don't know. My brain is very confused. So we are heading out of town. I'm still isolating because I still have to work and stuff, but we are heading out of town. So it's at least a different change of scenery. So today's video is going to be a vlog, and then Friday's video is going to be the plan with me. So I'm excited to show you all the things I'm working on. Right now I am working on a lot of Patron things because I am getting everything set up prior to leaving. So we have all the kits that are getting sorted out because those are getting sent the day after I think we come home. So trying to print and cut all of that stuff before everything happens. So I have some of the foils getting cut right now, some stencils for some of the orders that I'm working on, and I'll walk you through some of the day. I have yet to finish this wall, by the way. I have to fix this bubble that's right here, and then I think I laid these the wrong way. I think this one needs to go over this one to get rid of that seam, so hopefully that'll happen. Again, have not done the bottom there, have not done the top, and I have not done any of that because I have all this stuff over here and I don't want to mess it up right now while I'm working on a ton of orders. So that's kind of what's going on. And of course, this is just a complete mess. So just the normal everyday thing. Today is a very foily day, so I thought that I would show you the best part of foiling. The reveal. Oh gosh, look at that reveal. I love foiling. It's one of the best things in the world. I love foiling so much. Just look at that shine. Oh, I love it. Okay, I'm taking a little bit of a break. I'm just trying to get as much done as possible before we go away. I have a bunch of orders, but I also have to film. So that means doing the nails. So I have a blue and purple theme. So that's what I painted my nails. I'm waiting for them to dry for a little bit. I'm just watching some YouTube videos. And formatting some stuff to print and cut. So that's kind of been my day while things have been going in the background. But now I need to chill for a little bit, let these dry, and start filming, hopefully. I also just want to show you a little bit about how I do my stencils. So I start with the black part, which will be the part that is solid. For example, this part of the stencil would be that black part, and the white is where it actually cuts the lines to take them out. So there's a few different ways you can do the stencils. You can do it all filled in, like you see these two stencils, or you can do like an outline type of stencil. So I'm not making these today, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you how I form and make these types of stencils as well. Hello everyone. I am in a different location, obviously. We are at Hunter Mountain, so my husband is skiing right now. I am working, of course. And I was so hungry and I saw this at the grocery store. So does everyone remember these Lunchables? At least if you were in America, this was like prime. Like if you had that to trade for, like you needed a steak meal in order to trade for a Lunchable. Anyways, so I'm getting some work done. Mostly I did not bring my MacBook, which is where I do most of my business stuff. So I decided to shut down the shop for a couple days. I will be like still designing and stuff like that because I do have my iPad with me, but I thought that this would be a great opportunity to take a little bit of a break. I had intended to do that over the holidays. However, there were so many issues with shipping, so I didn't actually get to do that. I was pretty much still working every single day of the break. So here's 2 days that I'm gonna have a break for. So I'm gonna get back to work. I will show you around the Airbnb that we're at in a little bit. I'm still isolating other than going to the grocery store. We're still in the same state, so everything is still the same for us. My husband wanted to ski. I need a little bit of a different scenery. The cats, we have someone checking in on them, and the dogs came with us. See, there's Harles. So it'll be a nice little break for all of us. Okay, so a quick tour of this space. We obviously have Hardy Marty, my cute girl. So here is the living room area. I've been working from there because when I was working on the table, I was looking into these really nice, open, very bright windows. However, it was giving me a headache. So we have the living room area with Malia. Tyler's ski stuff is just chilling here. We have the dining room table over here, obviously. My notebooks, that's where I was working. The kitchen, literally just stuff everywhere. Here is the downstairs room. The bathroom is back there in the hallway. One of the things I like about doing Airbnbs is when they have kitchens. That's super helpful for us, especially because particularly in these ski areas, there is just not a lot of food choices because a lot of people just ski and go to the ski lodge and get stuff. So again, this is an Airbnb, so they can fit quite a few people. I love this view. It is so lovely. And then here's the technical master up here. Nice, big, spacious area. So that is our Airbnb.